we woke up to this. Yeah. Okay, it's all dark, and Apurva is lighting fire so we can have some coffee. Behind Apurva, you can see a very bright star. See? I don't know what star that is, and neither do I have the app to identify stars, but that's probably Pole Star, North Pole Star, Dhruv Tara. Maybe, maybe not, don't know. He's trying to light the fire. The wood and the coal have gone wet because of all the moisture. So he's trying his level best to light some fire, but coal is not catching fire. So, and okay, you cannot see the awning and the tent. I'll go closer, maybe. So that's our setup for the day, for the night.
Good morning. 6:45. Not visible though. It's 6:45 in the morning. And this is not sun. This is moon. This is moon. It's a full moon night. As I said, it's 6:45 in the morning. We are at Shipwreck Beach. Yes, we got this side this time. As we are the only ones, I suppose. No.
No, not the only ones. Those bikers were there.
Yeah, the bikers were there. We found a couple of bikers, and up far. My finger is making it lose the focus. There is somebody else as well, and then there is somebody else as well. So, probably 3 or 4 campers. And look at the reflection of the moonlight. Yes, it's moon. Let me correct you again. It is moon, not sun. It is moon.
Sunrise will happen in a while. Show them the sunrise.
Yeah. So let me take a round like this. It's quite windy and chilly. Temperature must be around 14 or 16 right now. Not more than that. But yeah, dew is falling now. That's my setup. My ex. We bought this new tent and had good night's sleep, and that's the place where sun is gonna come up. You can see the orange shades. It's quite cloudy, but let's see. We do not expect any rains, as there wasn't any forecast about rains. But beautiful, right? Beautiful. One of the Naughty Explorer is up. The Daughter Explorer. Yeah. That's Ruwais City. Okay. Some cloud formations. Yeah. Water is here now. It's early morning. Yeah, 7 o'clock is early morning because the sun hasn't risen yet, so it's early morning for us. Yeah, so, and yeah, guys, wait for our surprise. I have a big surprise planned up for you guys. Coming back to our moon. The reflection is amazing, guys. Amazing reflection. Beautiful. I believe the sound of waves can be heard. Sun is about to rise. Cloudy. with a chance of meatballs. I believe all of you have watched that movie. I loved that movie. There are two camp setups there as well. Tents or yeah. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah. So sorry, I was wrong. There are not three. There are 5 people who are camping over here. And just look at these rock formations, people. Outstanding. I know I put them in every video, but just amazing. Just amazing. That's my mommy explorer doing something. That's one naughty explorer playing with sand. And yeah, I am waiting for my water to boil. I must have boiled, Mama. Can you check? Yep.
Almost boiled.
Yeah. It's ready.
I'm digging for chicken.
Yeah. Time for the surprise what we were talking about.
Yay!
I'll
give
pass
me.
on the stuff to one of the naughty explorer. Here you go. It is facing you, okay?
Yeah.
Go.
I was so excited when I saw it. You're about to see our new boat.
We got a boat. Yo, baby. 3-person boat can take up to 320 kgs. All 3 explorers are ready. Come over there, guys. Let me see you. Yep. Time to go in water. It's almost 8:30. It's more than 8:30 actually. And let's row our boat.
Gently down the river.
Now it's a river
Nice.
in the sea. Let's go, guys. Can't wait for it. All right. Time to take it in water. Let's go, explorer. Oh, it is cold. It is cold. Damn cold.
Yes!
you are rowing. You are rowing. You both are rowing. Nice coordination. So you can see my naughty explorers are actually exploring
The boat.
and trying to figure out what to do with that boat. Actually, I was also struggling for my first time, obviously. So let me just zoom in a bit. Let's see what these guys are up to. As I've already told that the water is not that deep in here, so I can take a little chance like this and leave them and let them explore on their own. It's fun at the same time as well, and some learning experience for the kids to learn how to row your boat. They are already making circles and they are enjoying it. We've got a couple of bikers also here who camp, and I believe they are leaving now. Couple of campers over there. Oh, one fell. Looks like he's safe. Back to my naughty explorers. The third biker is still there, I believe. Yeah, he'll also be leaving in a while. I suppose he's ready almost. And my explorers are coming back, it seems to me. We've got loads of seaweeds and trash, you can see. Water bottles, petrol bottles. We've got all kind of trash over here. This is so bad. This is so bad. Such a beautiful beach, such a clean water. And then we just ruin it with throwing trash in it. Please, it doesn't take much. Take a trash bag, put the trash in, take it along with you. On the way back to Abu Dhabi, the nearest trash can is, I believe, just when you are out of the beach and you are taking a U-turn, it's on the right side, just 3 minutes or 4 minutes, the moment you are on the road. How much does it take, guys?
So we are at Shipwreck and we are making a move now. We'll be leaving for Ruwais Small first. We'll fill up on our supplies and from there we'll go to explore a new place. We will be finding a new place, or probably we'll head to check out the fireworks that Abu Dhabi city is planning. We don't know. We'll make a plan. We'll see if we find the new place better and if we can camp over there. If it's allowed by municipality, then we'll camp around. Otherwise, we will have to think of another plan.
Or we can just go to Al and we can camp there.
We can actually go to Al Kwa. Oh, are we stressed up? Okay. It looked like we were stuck, but it seems no. Yeah, we can go to Al Kwa otherwise.
Yeah.
Good idea, Prapti.
The rolling overs are the best that is there.
Right. Chalo, we'll decide and we'll keep you guys posted.